Hello everyone, welcome to the Wise Archive, where learning English comes alive today. You're not merely watching a video, you're stepping into a new reality. If you listen closely, this might be the moment that transforms your life forever. I'm here to share something most people won't say out loud, something that could set your soul on fire. Let me ask you this: are you truly satisfied with your life at this moment? If you died tomorrow, would you feel proud of what you achieved? If your answer is no, then consider this your wake-up call, because your life won't change by accident and it won't improve through luck. The life you desire will only arrive when you decide to change it. Stop living on excuses. You've been using them for far too long. I'm too young. I'm too old. I don't have money. I don't have time. Let me be blunt. Excuses are lies we tell ourselves to dodge responsibility. Do you know why many people fail? It's not luck, and it's not a lack of intelligence. It's a failure to take action. They sit and complain about their problems instead of fixing them. Do you think successful people had it easy? Take Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty, she faced huge hardships and was told she wouldn't make it. But she didn't listen. She worked hard, stayed focused, and rose to become one of the world's most influential figures. Now what's stopping you? Only your own mindset. Imagine the life you could have. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine you wake up in a beautiful home, the home of your dreams. You look outside and see a luxury car. In your driveway, your parents smile, relieved that they no longer have to worry. You've provided for them, giving the life they deserve, the life they dreamed of while working every day to support you. Now open your eyes. Does that feel impossible? It's not. This life is reachable, but it demands one thing: your commitment to change. Your habits shape your future. I'll be blunt. Your habits are either building you up or breaking you down. If you spend hours daily on Netflix, scrolling Instagram, or gaming, you're literally tossing your future away. Time is your most precious resource. Every second wasted is gone forever. What separates achievers from the rest? They use time wisely, reading, learning new skills, and working on their dreams, while others waste time. Think about your parents. Your mother carried you for 9 months, sacrificing sleep, health, and her own dreams to give you life. Your father worked day and night to put food on the table, to give you an education and a chance to succeed. Now it's your turn. What are you doing to repay them? Don't you want to see them happy and give them the life they've always hoped for? Imagine your mother's face when you hand her the keys to her dream house. Imagine your father's tears when you tell him he never has to work another day because you've taken care of everything. This isn't only about money. It's about giving them peace, happiness, and the pride of knowing their child succeeded. Success requires sacrifice. Let me be honest. Success isn't easy. It demands sacrifice. It means waking up early when you'd rather sleep, working on your goals while friends are out, and choosing hard work over distractions. There's a story about a young man who wanted to be successful. He went to a wise mentor and asked, "How can I achieve success?" The mentor led him to the beach, walked into the water, and held his head under the surface. The man fought for air and finally surfaced, gasping. The mentor said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted air, you'll succeed." Ask yourself, how badly do you want it? Surround yourself with winners. Look at the people around you. Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? If your friends are negative, lazy, or unmotivated, you'll likely become the same. Success isn't only hard work, it's the environment you build. Surround yourself with people who inspire, challenge, and push you. If that means cutting toxic friends, so be it. Your future matters more than their opinions. Believe in yourself. Here's the most important truth: you must believe in yourself. Nobody else will do it for you. The world is full of doubters, haters, and critics who'll say you're not good enough or capable. Prove them wrong about failure. It's not the end, it's the start. Every successful person you admire has failed more times than you can imagine. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players ever, was cut from his high school team. Did he give up? No. He worked harder, practiced longer, and became a legend. Failure is a lesson and a stepping stone. Embrace it, learn from it, and move forward. Take time for yourself. The world is loud. Social media, deadlines, responsibilities all vie for your attention. When was the last time you sat in silence and asked yourself, what do I really want? Spend a few minutes every day in silence. Meditate, reflect, or just breathe. This isn't wasting time, it's how you recharge. If you don't prioritize yourself, who will? During this time, talk to yourself. Tell yourself, I am amazing, I am worthy, I am capable of great things. Reprogram your mind. It's like a garden. What you plant grows. Plant out negativity and fear, and your life will reflect that. Plant confidence, positivity and belief, and you'll grow a life full of possibilities. Say it with me. I am the best. I am unstoppable. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. Write these affirmations down and repeat them every day. Visualize your dream life. Close your eyes and imagine it in detail. Picture yourself in your dream job, earning the money you've always wanted. Now open your eyes and realize every great achievement starts in the mind. If you can visualize it, you can achieve it. But visualization alone isn't enough. You must take action. Control your mind. Control your life. Your mind is powerful. If you don't steer it, it will steer you. Think about how often negative thoughts take over. I'm not good enough. I'll never succeed. What if I fail? When they come, stop and say no. I'm in control. I choose positivity. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it to focus on positivity and solutions, the stronger it becomes. You need to hear this. You are amazing and have everything you need to succeed inside you. The only thing missing is your belief in yourself. Do you want a good job? Yes. You can get it. Do you want to marry the love of your life? Yes. Build a house. Travel the world. Live your dreams. Yes. The only person holding you back is you. Start small but dream big. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, but here's a secret. Success doesn't arrive all at once. It comes one small step at a time. Want to get fit? Start with 10 minutes a day. Want to improve your English? Learn 5 new words daily. Want to save money? Start with $10 a week. Small actions may seem minor, but they add up over time. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Be your own cheerleader. Stop waiting for others to motivate you. Stop expecting people to believe in you more than you believe in yourself. Stand before a mirror and say, I am proud of myself, I am working hard, and I get better every day. Find people who inspire you. Listen to motivational speakers, read uplifting books, and follow those who've achieved what you want. Think about Thomas Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. When asked, he said he didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps. Ask yourself each night, what did I do today to move closer to my goals? What can I do better tomorrow? Then follow through. Consistency is the key to success while chasing your dreams. Don't forget gratitude. Be thankful for what you already have. Gratitude shifts your mindset and reminds you how far you've come. Each morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for: family, health, or simply being alive with another chance to pursue your dreams. Let's go all in. This is it, the final piece. If you've made it this far, I know you're serious about raising your life. Listen closely. The words I'm about to share are meant to wake you, shake you, and lighten you. Purpose inside you. Stop settling for average. Why do we accept average lives, average effort, and average results? Are you here to live an ordinary life, or to create something extraordinary? Think about this. Every day you choose to settle for less or demand more of yourself. Don't just get by, aim to excel. Stop saying, "This is good enough," and start saying, "This is only the beginning." There's nothing wrong with dreaming big. Want the best car, the best house, the best relationships? Go after them. People may laugh at your ambitions now, but they'll applaud later. If you want something great, you must give something up. Be honest. How many hours do you waste gossiping with people who add nothing to your life? Cut it out. Replace low-value time with activities that elevate you. Read books that expand your mind, hone skills until you excel, and spend time learning and growing. Your life reflects the decisions you make each day. From the moment you wake, you choose who you will become. Are you making choices that bring you closer to your dreams, or sabotaging yourself? Promise yourself today. Choose growth over comfort, discipline over laziness, courage over fear. You may think you're giving your best. Think again. You're capable of much more. Every time you feel like quitting, push a little harder. When you think "I can't," force yourself to say "I can." Growth happens outside your comfort zone. If it doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. Take risks and try new things. Dare to fail spectacularly. Even in failure, you're ahead of those who never tried. And remember, if you're the smartest or most driven person in your group, you're in the wrong group. Seek people who inspire, challenge, and unsettle you from staying the same. The clock is ticking. Let's get real. You don't have forever. Stop living as if time is endless. Every second wasted is gone. Imagine yourself on your deathbed. Will you regret the chances you didn't take? Start living like your time matters, because it does. See successful people and think they're lucky? They're not. They worked and sacrificed, and you can. 2. Ask yourself, why not me? Why can't you be the next great entrepreneur, have the life of your dreams, or inspire millions? Stop doubting yourself. Here's something most don't realize. You're not defined by your past. It doesn't matter where you come from, how much money you have, or the mistakes you've made. Your potential is limitless. Every day offers a chance to reinvent yourself. You don't have to be who you were yesterday. You can be stronger, smarter, and better. It only takes the decision to grow. Stop blaming others. Your boss, your parents, or circumstances don't control your destiny. You do. Take full responsibility for where you are now and own where you're going. No excuses, no complaining, just action. Let your success speak for itself. While others talk, you work. Keep your head down, stay focused, and don't try to prove anything. Results will speak. Remember, a lion doesn't turn when small dogs bark. Every small victory matters. Did you wake up early? Celebrate. Finish a task? Celebrate. Success is built from small wins that add up. Notice progress and keep going. Here's a final challenge. Make it personal. Don't just listen and move on. Write down what you'll do differently starting today. What habits will you change? What goals will you set? You have one life, one shot. Don't waste it. Dream big, work hard, and never settle for less than extraordinary. The world awaits your rise, your shine, and the way you'll inspire others with your story. The life you want waits, but you must take the first step. Stop making excuses and waiting for the perfect moment. Start today. Work hard, stay focused, and never give up. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Now go make it happen. You are unstoppable.